I have always had a problem of mounting a proper camera into my car. I don't want to use a GoPro because it has a very wide field of view and it shows too much of irrelevant things. Generally when I am driving, I don't want my co-passengers to be visible on camera unless they want to be. So I have been looking to mount a point and shoot type of camera, something like a Sony RX100, and I couldn't find a proper mount. So this is basically the mount that I have rigged it up, and this is a video about that. I tried vlogging with a GoPro, but I did not like the results because the field of view is very wide. It picks up everything around you, and I couldn't find a position in which I could eliminate all the co-passengers. I did not want to record co-passengers if they are not willing to be recorded. So I was looking for some other solution, and I had this camera lying. This is a Sony RX100 first generation. It's not a good camera for vlogging because it doesn't have a mic jack, it doesn't have an articulating screen, but something in this form factor, maybe a fourth generation RX100 or probably the new ZV1, something like that. That's what I was looking for. So I thought I will first test with this particular camera. Now the problem that I ran into is a regular suction cup. This camera is a little bit heavy for that, and it just falls from the windscreen, and you don't want to damage the camera. So I was looking for a slightly stronger suction cup, and I found this product in Amazon. It's basically this product, and it has 3 suction cups. It looks fairly strong, and with this camera it looks like it is not going to fall. But it has another problem, that it only has a GoPro mount, and I did not really want, as I already said, I did not really want to use a GoPro. So I started looking for a GoPro to 1.4 inch screw, which most cameras have. But at least at this point in time, I didn't find anything on Amazon. But I found this other product, which is this one. On its own it is useless because it has a same 1.4 inch screw on one side, but the other side it has a hot shoe mount. But then when I looked at it closely, I realized that you can open it from here in the middle, and if you open it, you get something like this. Now again, this doesn't fit into a GoPro mount because it has these 3 legs, but if you take this and bend one of the legs like this, it actually does fit into the GoPro mount, which is like this. You can just see here, it will fit. If you put it like this, it will fit. And then you can take the GoPro screw and tighten it. So this looked like a decent solution. Now let's go check it out in the car. How does it work? So let's see, how does this work?
Recording started.
So in this particular contraption that I have just demonstrated, I have used 2 products which are listed in this next few slides. Also the Amazon links are in the description if you want to build something similar, you can go there and click on the links and you will get to those product pages. So that's it about this. Thank you very much. So finally, this is how the finished product looks. If you have liked this video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. We will be posting more videos which might be of interest to you, so you will be notified. Thank you very much and have a good day.